Recently, a friend of mine asked me, she's a vegetarian, and she was seeing the animals being taken to get slaughtered. And she was like, isn't this going to be super painful, incredibly painful for them? Why did they choose lives like this? Why do animals choose to be food for humans?
So I actually don't believe they choose to be food for humans.
Really? Okay.
I believe that humans are exerting control, right? This is how we are making our choices. We have free will and we get to make choices, and all of our actions do have a consequence to them. So I'm speaking in today's modern agricultural way of farming or animal agriculture, which is without question atrocious and is deeply, deeply damaging, not just to animals, but to land and actually to ourselves. So it's not that the animals are choosing this existence, because it is an existence it's a torturous existence. Nobody can argue that. If you learn about what goes on and how they're treated, you cannot say, well, it's not that bad. It actually is. It's that bad. And they're not choosing that, but we are exerting this on them. And what they are willing to do is to, one, like I said, to serve. And also they are sort of willing us to awaken, because it does not have to be this way. This does not have to be how people are fed. This is not a requirement. There's a total disconnect in how we are treating animals that are raised for human consumption and how we treat our dogs and cats that are in our homes. And yet they're, it's speciesism, essentially. So this is a whole rabbit hole to go down. And I'm not neutral here, because I love animals and I love the planet. And I know that this is not something that is a foregone conclusion. We can make changes here, and we can show the respect and honor to an animal that does give its life for, human consumption or food. And that's the change that needs to be made. But if we keep our eyes open and pay attention, there are messages that those animals are bringing us all the time. And the message is not everything's okay here, because it's not. It's, hey, do you see me? Do you feel me? Because you are me. We're not different from each other. We're not separate. That's a way we've been cultured to believe. That's a societal conditioning. But I feel the despair of all living beings. And not everybody is quite as empathic, but the human heart is meant to feel. And so on some level we do.